Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial we're going to learn a very cool AI tool that can create presentations like this. This presentation in its entirety is created by an AI tool, and it's fast, very easy to create and to edit. You can have access to it. This is much better than the way we do create normal presentations with the use of PowerPoint or about the latest ones. This actually proves to be very effective, and it can give you a very good number of slides at a very cheap price. Okay, so but the best part of it is that you can try for free. Now let's start from the beginning by learning how to access this particular AI tool. It is called Prezi.com or Prezi AI. Prezi is accessed by coming to your browser. You can just go ahead and search for Prezi.com, or you can go to your search bar in Google and just search for Prezi AI. It's going to open. It's just going to bring you over here. Better presentation, faster with AI, standard presentation that engage your audience in minutes. So it's very easy. You have the different packages for business, for educators, and for students. Depending, you can be able to see a preview of what you can create. It gives in everything in this preview format, and then you can be able to move from aspect to aspect, from one side to another. And the slides are easily editable. You can see you can zoom into different sections just like so. Very well organized and well professionally done. You can see you can move from sections to sections, and we can add in different kind of features with the AI tool. So you can see the different sections. This is from idea to presentation effortlessly. You can just type in your idea and you start from there to generate the whole idea, the whole presentation. So you can be as specific as you want as regards what you want it to include in the slides. Okay, I'll show you how to be specific, and you can see this one talks about all you need, because the slides are editable. You can edit them. You can edit the text. You can ask the AI to regenerate content, to add different sections to it, and to zoom in and out of different sections. You can add different kind of details to your presentation. These are stand out from the crowd depending on what you are going to create. So to start with, you can just come over to the top here and click on get started. All right, so you have the option to log in. So you can create an account with this format, and then you can move into login with any of these accounts if you have any. But for this, I'm going to log in with one of my Google accounts. All right, so once you log in, this is where I be brought in. This is your normal dashboard. Now you have the option to start creating with AI by clicking on this, and then you have the option to create new presentation. And then over here, you can create new infographics, okay? Or you can create new video from the presentation that you have. If you want to create a video, you can create directly as well. Down here, you have all your projects, what you have been working on, the slides that you have created. You'll be able to see all of them from here. All right. So let's start from the beginning with the AI. Create with AI. I can just click on this. All right. So now you will be asked to put in the title of the project or of the presentation that you want to create. So let's say we have this title. Let's say we have this topic: the future of education in Nigeria in the AI era, opportunities, challenges, and way forward. Okay, so we can see and way forward. Okay, so we can just go ahead and click on continue. And you have the option to specify some sections or content, how you want to design, what the AI should pay specific attention to. So we are going to have these sections. Okay, so I want it to limit its research to these sections: introduction, opportunities, challenges, way forward, and probably conclusion. If you have a content, maybe a piece of paper, research paper that you want to add up to create the presentation out of it, it becomes easier. You can just go ahead and upload it. Just go to the location where you have it and then import it, and it is going to create the presentation perfectly for you. If you don't have, you can as well skip this, and the AI is going to generate that for you. So let's say we are going to have focus on these 4 things, and then we can go ahead and say generate. And let's give it some seconds to see what the AI is going to come up with. Now, one thing to note is that it is going to start showcasing the different features, the different sections that it is going to cover from here, so you can have an idea into what it is going to create for you. You can see right now it's showcasing, it's showcasing the title, the future of education in Nigeria in the AI era, opportunities, challenges, and ways forward. Section 1 is going to be introduction. Section 2, opportunities. Section 3 is going to be challenges, and so on. You can see the different features. And section 4 is going to be way forward. Okay, so there's going to be a bit of a conclusion, okay, at the end. So now it is writing everything, because we said something like education, it is incorporating educational content to this. Okay, so once it is done, the next thing that you can do is to select the palette. So these are some suggestions. You can use this one or this one or this one, depending. Let's go with this, and it's going to quickly customize a slide to this. Now you have the option to either use the available theme or background, or you can select from these ones as well. So let's say we are going to go with this, because the question is on the future of education. So, and this is education related, okay? Or if you want, you can change that as well, and you can create the presentation if you don't want what you see. Now, right now, you can have a preview of what it has just created. You can see these are the different various sections that it has created: opportunities, challenges, ways forward, and introduction section. So let's see a preview of that. Now, as you click on this, you now zoom into the introductory part, and under this, you have like 3 different slides, which once you click, it is going to zoom into your face and you'll be able to see it directly. This is our view of education in Nigeria. And then this is impact of AI on global education. You go to the next one. This is under introduction, relevance of AI in Nigeria context. And then from there, it's going to zoom out, and then you can go to the next section, which is opportunities. And then you can zoom into enhanced learning experience, this much slide, this one, and then it's going to go to this. And then look at how interactive and interesting this is. The only thing I notice is that the photos are not actually African, they are white, and we're talking about Nigeria here, okay? But look at the interactivity and the professionalism in the pictures and the navigation, the transition is really actually superb. Now, once you like what you see, you can always come over here. You can go to the editor. Once you click, it is going to take you to editor, where you can edit the content of the slide. Now, as usual, this is where it will be brought in. So you have it arranged slide by slide. You can go from one slide to another. Okay, you can move from this slide to the next slide, and it is going to be moving directly from, this is the overview where you have everything, and then this is the first section, and then from that section we can have this slide, and so on. So you'll be navigating across each of the slides accordingly. And one thing to note is that each element of these slides are editable. Once you click here, you'll be able to see the editing feature over here. Okay, you can see you can change the title, you can change the font style, and so on. You have the sizes, you can play around with the sizes, bold, italic, you can even change the coloration, and so on. You can change them accordingly very easily. You can change the background color, you can add links, can change the alignments and italicization, and so on. Okay, so you can justify the content accordingly. You can even change the animation and so on. And then over here, you can ask AI to turn into bullet points. You can turn the content into bullet points, make shorter, make longer, simplify, make key points bold, okay, add flowchart, visual list, animated story, and so on. So once you select a section of the slide, you can as well come to the AI. This is too texty. You can make it a flowchart if you like, and it is just with that simple click convert this into a flowchart. You can see very easily it has just done that. So you can go ahead and edit any section of it, and you can add different text if you want to change the style. This is text. You can have the text. You can add media, add different kind of shapes into the story, and then you have storybook, story block. You can add. You can see them over here. You can as well explore and add anyone into your story, and then you can see animations. You can have many more over here: planet topic, page topic, presenter note, and so on. So it's up to you now to start to go ahead and explore and see what you can do to your own advantage. And then you can see all the slides are fantastically written, and it has given us up to like 30 something slides, 33 different slides. Okay, you can move the slides with these tools and you can navigate around directly. Another thing is you can add presenter notes. If you want to add notes, you can always add it, and then you can have access to it after during the presentation. Now, when you are done, you can preview everything from here. You just this click and be able to see directly what you want. You can move from slide to slide, from slide to slide. You can see back to the preview, and then you can move to the subsequent slides. You can see very easily and fantastically. And if you want to have the presenter view, you can enable this as well. And then you'll be able to have that presenter view where you can have access, direct access to your notes. All right, so this is presenter view. All the notes that you have, you'll be able to see them over here, but those you are presenting to will not be able to see. They can only have access to what is here. Okay, so that is it. You can also exit the presenter view if you are done and you are back here. Now you can present in many forms. You can start a presentation like this, or you can have presenter view like if I explain, and then you can record as a video if you want to record as a video, or you can go ahead and click on this to share and download. You can get the link to share with people, export as PDF, and you can share or broadcast or collaborate with others to work on this particular project. So this is very, very interesting, and you can share and have collaborators to work together in this. So please explore this. Go ahead and try it on your own. I'll put the link in the description. Prezi is wonderful. It's a wonderful AI tool. And at any given point, you can always go back to the dashboard, or you can create new presentation, make a copy, save, download. You can as well do all of these directly. Okay. So this basically concludes this simple tutorial about the use of Prezi AI as a very fantastic AI tool that you can use to create your wonderful modern presentation that can help you to captivate your audience. Hope you find this useful. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.